In the heart of the African savannah, a mother zebra must make a dangerous journey across the river. The dry season has come. The herd must cross to find fresh grazing lands. The mother knows the river crossing is treacherous, filled with hidden predators waiting. She keeps her foal close, teaching it to stay within the safety of the herd. Every migration brings danger, but this year, her baby is still too young and vulnerable. As they near the river, the mother's instincts sharpen. She senses something is wrong. The smell of the river carries danger on the wind. Crocodiles are near. The herd gathers at the water's edge, each zebra calculating the risk. The baby has never crossed a river before. It doesn't understand the danger. Beneath the surface, ancient predators wait patiently in the muddy depths. A massive crocodile watches from the shallows, its eyes barely visible above water. The crossing begins. The bravest zebras enter first, hoping to find safe passage. The mother faces an impossible choice: stay behind alone or risk her baby's life. The cold water startles the baby. It hesitates, fear rising in its chest. There is no turning back now. The mother enters the river with her baby. The current is stronger than expected. The baby struggles to keep its footing. Every step is a challenge for the young foal in the swirling current. The river bottom is uneven and slippery. One wrong step could be fatal. The herd spreads out across the river, each animal focused on survival. The mother's senses are on high alert, watching for any sign of threat. The crocodile has chosen its target. It moves through the water like a shadow. Invisible beneath the chaos, the predator closes in on the vulnerable baby. A mother's instinct screams danger. She sees the crocodile's approach too late. Without hesitation, she shoves her baby forward, away from the approaching threat. The crocodile lunges upward, its massive jaws opening for the attack. Water erupts as the predator strikes. Its target, the baby zebra's vulnerable legs. The mother reacts instantly, her powerful hind legs striking like hammers. Her hooves slam into the crocodile's sensitive snout with stunning force. The crocodile reels from the impact, momentarily stunned by the counterattack. The baby swims desperately toward the far bank, its mother shielding it. But the crocodile is not defeated. It recovers quickly and pursues its prey. The deadly chase continues beneath the churning surface of the river. The mother transforms from prey to warrior, defending her baby at all costs. The far bank seems impossibly far away. Every second in water is deadly. The exhausted baby begins to falter, its small body struggling against the current. The mother positions herself beneath her baby, using her body as support. The crocodile accelerates for a second attack, its hunger overcoming caution. This time, The mother turns to face her enemy directly, protecting her baby. She strikes repeatedly with her front hooves, each blow aimed at the predator. The battle rages in the shallows, mother's determination against predator's hunger. The herd reaches safety on the far bank, but the mother fights alone. The baby's hooves finally touch solid ground beneath the water's surface. The crocodile finally retreats, deciding this meal costs too much effort. The mother doesn't turn her back until the threat disappears beneath the surface. Exhausted but alive, mother and baby move toward the safety of land. The steep bank presents one final obstacle to the exhausted baby zebra. The mother uses her last reserves of strength to push her baby upward. The baby collapses on solid ground, its small body shaking from exhaustion. The mother emerges from the river, every muscle burning from the ordeal. Even in exhaustion, she immediately positions herself to protect her vulnerable foal. The baby struggles to its feet, its legs barely able to support it. The mother tenderly grooms her baby, their bond strengthened by survival. The river flows on, indifferent to the drama that just unfolded in its waters. The herd has reached the lush grasslands they traveled so far to find. The baby nurses, drawing comfort and strength from its mother once more. As evening falls, the herd can finally rest in their new territory. Within hours, the resilient baby is playing again, the trauma already fading. The mother will never forget this crossing, but she knows it won't be the last. The bond between mother and child has been tested and proven unbreakable. In the African savannah, this is the cycle of life: danger, courage, and survival. Days pass peacefully as the herd settles into their new grazing grounds. The baby grows stronger each day, learning survival lessons from its mother. At night, the mother sleeps lightly, always ready to protect her precious foal. The baby dreams innocently, unaware of how close it came to death. The memory of that day will fade, but the mother's instinct never will. A mother's love is the most powerful force in the natural world. The migration continues. There will be many more challenges ahead for the herd. But this baby has already learned the most important lesson: never give up. The mother knows her job is far from over. More dangers await them. Another river lies ahead in their path. The cycle will repeat itself. But now the baby is wiser, stronger, and has learned to trust its mother. Every mother in the herd carries the same fierce determination to protect their young. This is the story repeated countless times across the African plains. Together, they survive. Together, they thrive. This is the way of the herd. In Africa's wild heart, life continues its eternal dance between danger and hope.